We put in at the Sanibel boat ramp, came under the causeway. We're going back here into the Caloosahatchie. This waterway goes all the way to Lake Okeechobee, and we'll be going through Fort Myers downtown. Fort Myers here, Cape Coral over there.
That was spooky.
Some of the Fort Myers house.
The haunted house.
We are in the middle of the Caloosahatchie River. There's an island, Lofton Island. That side is Fort Myers. This side is Cape Coral. It's this rather small island. A few banyan trees, as you can see up there. A lot of palms. And what's really neat is, it looked like they were going to build something, because on the other side there are a bunch of docks. Looked like they were wired for a store, for people to dock up overnight. But we're finding equipment, old metal pipes on this island. Somebody was probably going to turn this into like a little restaurant maybe, or something. But you're on this island out in the middle of the river, and look, there's an old abandoned loader right there. I mean, it's crazy. Been there for years. You can tell by the growth and the rust on it. Old toolbox. A lot of trees they cut down here. God, and stepped on something. LPS. Yeah, look at it, had poles, but over here is like a dock they build with concrete. So apparently they built that to bring heavy equipment in here. Pretty neat. Yeah, some of the poles don't look that old either. So whatever they were going to do here, apparently they decided they were going to abandon that idea. Could have been after the hurricane. Could have been before that, don't know, but you can see chains around concrete slabs. And it's hard to see. Back in there is like an old rusted wheel. I don't know if that was going to be used as a pulley to pull electric from Cape Coral side over to here to electrify the island. You got palms, you got royal palms up here, coconut trees, banyan trees. Yeah, it was probably cleared at one time by the lack of trees and the lack of brush under it. It's not very tall, so. But there's Fort Myers. Water's kind of ugly here. We were going to come down here, dock up somewhere, and go to a restaurant and eat lunch, but it's only 10 o'clock. We'll decide here in a minute. Yeah, it's right between two bridges here, this island. Pretty neat. Okay, we docked up next to this restaurant here. We're just gonna go check out town here a little bit and come back and eat. Beautiful in this area. There's a yacht place next to us where you can buy groceries. Yeah, that's a marina for yachts, and then that building over there is where they can get groceries and supplies at. Look at the palm trees, the royal palms here lining the street up. This is old part of Fort Myers. The old painting. It's supposed to be, I believe, Thomas Edison. The old Evan Rood. Tarpon, Moose. Big hotel. But over there, that tall one, E.G., is Edison something. He owned a house down here at one time. Fort Myers, Theater, 1918. Got my wild turkey. Having a barrel of fun in Fort Myers. Florida fun. Been golf, fishing, tennis, horseback riding. And that is the famous Caloosa Indian. We're on the Caloosahatchie River. This is where the Caloosas were. National Bank, erected in 1904 right there. Look at this, beautiful. This is nice right here. The what? We are in a jewelry and fossil place here. Look at all the minerals they found. This is what fascinates me. There's amethyst megalodon teeth. Look at the size of those. God. Mango quartz. And then that's what they look like when they cut them open.
Oh yeah, they tell they're from because they like.
The whole building is art museum. Huh? That's not how it works. This is the Naples Soap Company and downtown Fort Myers. They make these are soap conditioners. The rounders are conditioned. They smell so good. And then these are soaps with the little whatever the scrub brushes in them. They smell just like they say they always. Ocean breeze.
It's spring day. All of yours are broke.
Some old Fort Myers movie theater in here. Back when everything was classy and an adventure to go to. We Googled, apparently that island we were on was bought for $800,000. Hurricane came and it was just the tips of the trees were showing because the water rose so high. We were at this restaurant. Really good food.
Just had lunch at the Oxbow Bar and Grill in downtown Fort Myers.
Oh,
With the greatest people.
old Fort Myers.
Old Fort Myers.
Yeehaw!
Yeah, but it's good for your
This is the Sanibel Lighthouse.
It's good for your title.
This little point where the lighthouse is where the Gulf, the Intercoastal, and the Caloosahatchie River all meet. And it's usually got a pretty strong current. But it's nice to swim. And there's the lighthouse. After a hurricane, a couple years ago, one of the legs was lost, and they found it like 100 yards from here. But it was still standing. It did not keel over. There it is from the 1800s. And I believe right over here somewhere was where the lighthouse keeper house was. It got washed away in the hurricane. It's a rough current here. We're going to get in the boat and go up the other side of the bridge where the Intercoastal is. There's a lot calmer water. Can't swim here. The current just blows you down the way. So next spot, we came around to where the condos are here at Sanibel Beach Club. Water's so great. I mean, the color is unbelievable. No waves. Yeah, I know. It's my own downfall. No waves. We got out of that turn where the lighthouse was. We're all three combined, and it's just calm here. And I'm 150 yards from shore. It's only 3.5 feet right here. So I don't want to get no closer. These are like the buoys here where they want boats to stay out. Yeah, you can see the bottom here with polarized glasses. Only 5 tents set up today.
A big fish.
Yeah.
Well, you say something. Unbelievable. A big one.
Okay, we made it back to Sanibel, the beach club. Boats parked, trucks parked. I got a hose I can hook up to the building when I'm not here, flush the motor, rinse the boat out. Everybody else is going down to the pool, not me. When I'm done with the day, I get in the shower, I get some comfortable clothes on, and call it a day. But probably be back to the beach tomorrow with the tents. But right now, I got to go up here and probably make some supper here. Starving, even though we had a big lunch at a restaurant. So, all right, we'll catch you in a bit.